Everyone, thanks again for checking in. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast and a weather outlook here for your New Year's Day 2016. A little bit of moisture here across the southern tier of the nation and in the eastern Carolinas, but it's even a bit of a wintry mix here for West Texas into parts of New Mexico. Maybe some snow there through the Colorado Rockies. Then that colder weather filtering into the Great Lakes region, leading to some lake effect snow, and it could be quite heavy as you get to the eastern Great Lakes region, especially to the Adirondacks of western New York. Temperature-wise on this Friday, January 1st, 2016, much colder than average from the southern tier of the nation to the western U.S., about 10, almost 25 degrees cooler than average, and then we're running a surplus in the temperature category there today of about 10 degrees. So again, a little bit warmer shade farther north. Happy New Year again. A drier and cooler start to 2016, and then warming up again. In fact, looking at the first week or maybe a week and a half of 2016 to be warming back up in the eastern half of the country. There's your heaviest rain today from the Carolinas across the Gulf Coast states into southern Texas. That's where rainfall tallies could actually be quite heavy, mixing in with some wintry precip in the western U.S. and then these little bouts of energy rotating through the Great Lakes with some additional cold air and some lake effect snow. Meanwhile, as we head back to the west, Pacific moisture continues to wring itself out. Along the coast here, we could be dealing with 1, maybe even 2 inches, southern California, but then as you head into northern California, looking at maybe 2 to 4 inches or more. That could lead to some snowfall there. Southern Texas over to Florida, heavier rainfall, and then just a little bit, of course, across the Great Lakes. But overall, no big storms moving through the midsection of the nation. There's your best chance of heavier snow in the eastern Great Lakes region. And then this is that 6 to 10 day temperature outlook taking us from January 6th to January 10th. And it does appear that we'll be dealing with warmer conditions. But for today, much of the northeast and the central U.S. Dealing with some chillier conditions like St. Louis at 39. Nice to see that dry weather there.